welcome to Chiang Mai. As you can see here already, stumbled across a old Buddhist temple. Pretty cool. And yeah, we're just gonna explore the ancient city for a bit. We'll get some motorbikes out and then drive. Who knows what we'll do. We need to plan and see what there is to do in Chiang Mai. There. Okay, look at me. Yeah, that's good. Hello. So we're in Chiang Mai now. We just got some bikes out. Here's my trusty steed right here. I call her Shirley. What do you call yours?
Sheila.
Oh.
You said Shirley.
We're heading up here this way, this road. We're gonna go to see a Buddha and a little temple. Little excursion just outside of Chiang Mai. So yeah, very exciting. I'm gonna stick the GoPro on my head. Hopefully it stays on. Mate, look at the state of this. Oh my goodness.
So beautiful.
Look at that for a view. My goodness. Wow. Wow, what a sunny day. Rain.
And a rainbow.
And a rainbow. Woo. Famous symbol of Buddhism, King Kong. And look, we got some elephants. Famous Thailand elephants. We're not sure if we're going to see the elephants yet because we don't know how ethical it is, and you know, we're not about our life if we're abusing elephants accidentally even. So yeah, we might give it a go, we might give it a miss. Right, we've heard thunder, so it's time to head back to Chiang Mai city and hopefully not get drenched.
Go.
Go, go, go. Drive off into the sunset. Bye! Been a while since we got back from the biking. We're getting something we have not had for many years, which is a dirty kebab.
Drunk food.
We've had one beer each, and we've already sunk to this depth. Yeah. After this, we're going to check out the Nightlife, which is just down that road there. Hear a bit of music going now, so should be fun. Maybe have a little boogie.
I'm ready for a boogie. Oh, water bottle's in the way. I'm ready for a boogie.
She's ready for a boogie, not with that water bottle though.
No, plastic. Why have we got that? That's not good.
Apologies to the environment. I forgot to record before I took a bite. But yeah, I got a shawarma.
How dare you? Are you even a vlogger?
Yum. And it gets better. Cheesy chips are on the way. Jayo.
No, she's safe. She's safe.
Okay, fair enough. Good shot. Okay, right. Thailand's better than China. You can get bloody cheese toasty.
It's not bad.
Not bad. There you go. That's all that matters. Alright, it's the next morning. We stayed at 248 Street Hostel. Pretty decent, good value. Got a nice pool upstairs and a little bar. But yeah, we are feeling funky fresh. And today's plan is to go up north to Pai. So yeah, a place called Pai. Apparently it's the hippie center of Thailand and maybe even the world. So yeah, we'll get on our bikes and start heading over. And along the way, we'll make a couple of stops to Pai and check out the cafe that we've stumbled across. What the hell? They converted an airplane into a cafe and hotel, apparently. Only issue is it costs like 200 bahts for entry, so don't really want to pay that if I'm honest. But yeah, what the hell? Why? why not, I guess. Okay. Let's go. It started raining, so we got Liam Gallagher here. Hello. North Thailand. Yeah, so we stumbled across this on our drive. If you do go to an elephant sanctuary, make sure it's ethical. We have no idea if that one is.
Because we can see it from the road, which is just
Yeah,
amazing.
there's a road.
I can't believe that you can just see them so close.
That's why we seen them then. Because we saw them from the road and was like, oh my god, elephants! Hopefully they're treated well and that they're not abused. The road from Chiang Mai to Pai is one of the windiest roads I've ever been on. It's only about 79 miles long, but it has more than 750 twists and turns, so it takes about 3 to 4 hours to travel because of this. If you're like me and Tash, I think the best way to navigate this is to get a bike out for 3 or 4 days in Chiang Mai for about 150 to 200 baht a day, and you can drive from Chiang Mai to Pai along the road. If you're too young or you aren't comfortable with renting a motorbike, however, then there are bus options you can take, or you can even get a taxi, but I would recommend personally get a motorbike out. It's lots of fun and the drive is beautiful. Wow, look at this. Ooh. Oh, views for days. Whoa. That's absolutely stunning. Hey, I am absolutely wrecked. We have arrived though in Pai.
Yay!
Look how lovely it is.
And both of us are many shades darker of red.
Yes. So that sun, it didn't look much, but it was relentless.
Yay!
Mate, mushroom burger, chips. It's a good night. So yeah, here we are in Pai, at Pai Country Hut. Here is our lovely cottage in the day. But yeah, what a beautiful region this is. Cannot wait to explore the area. There seems to be a lot of nature and a lot of activities to do, and also a very cool town. So we're gonna head into town, maybe get some brekkie.
My favourite smelling flower.
That's Tash's favourite smelling flower, everyone. Let's have a look. Smell it. Wow, delightful. Yeah, welcome to Pai. Look at this bridge. Crossing the Pai River on our way into town. So here are what the streets of Pai look like. Very cute little roads. Got all these shops and restaurants. Very westernized, but it's really awesome, you know. We've had some food here, like bagels, some other things. What have we had? We had bagels, we had a burger, so we even had street food. They even have lasagna as street food, so this is heaven really. But yeah, this is what a glimpse of Pai. And oh. And we're off. Hey buddies, be careful on the road. It is dangerous. Here we are at the entrance, Huai Nam Dang National Park. I'm still very much pronouncing it as I would for a Chinese word. I hope that's right. Huai Nam Dang. Don't know, let me know if I said that wrong. But yeah, gonna head in now. And hopefully it's nice and cheap. Yeah, very exciting. We've made it to the top. The visitor center is here, and this is a viewpoint. So let's get on this rock and have a little look. It's a very misty day, isn't it? And the misty mountains. I don't know how well you'll be able to see on the camera, but yeah, the hills and the mountains are very much there. They're just hidden behind a coat of cloud. That's the viewpoint. That's as much as you can see. But in person, I'd recommend coming here. It looks great. Wow. So they even have a whole sign dedicated to the fog. That's how you know it's a big problem. Oh, there's no hiking trails here. We thought there would be. We were mistaken. It's just a viewpoint. What are we going to do now, Tash?
Hot springs.
Hot springs?
Yay.
Okay, we're going to head to some hot springs and warm up a bit because it's quite chilly up here. With all the mist and the fog, it's a little bit chilly. Got a chilly willy. The drive up here, the road, it's beautiful, but the butterflies, there are so many, and they just fly into you. It's like they're tempting you. They're saying, "Go on, hit me." Bloody kamikaze butterflies. I think I've killed about 3 in the last 2 days. I feel terrible, but I can't get out of the way. How many have you got?
I don't know. I've had a few. A bug flew straight into my cheek yesterday. But don't think that would have survived.
Well, we've been for a little walk through. Look at this. Natural water, 80 degrees Celsius. That is mental. Shall I dip my hand in? Lovely little place. Very peaceful. There weren't many tourists around, no locals. There was 5 or 6 people in total. It was really peaceful and calm. So yeah, if you're in the Pai region, it's really close to the town actually, so 100% would recommend you spend an afternoon or a morning or even an evening here to relax. Pai is a place where life is slow anyway, but life is much slower there. It was fun. It was lovely. Look how lovely this is. Oh my god. Gorgeous.
Fucking hell, Danny.
Here we are. Pai Canyon. Looks pretty cool, you know. Wow. Views are mental. Immense. This. Whoa. It's like I'm in Tatooine. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. It's pretty narrow, isn't it? Oh. Yeah. I like it. So previously I've been to a Grand Canyon in China in a place called Pingshan, and that was huge. Pretty incredible. This is not quite the Grand Canyon, not quite the Pingshan Grand Canyon, but it's a canyon nonetheless, and it's pretty sick. That's sick.
Careful there, that's the edge.
Oh no. Well, look how far down. That's death. That's a view. Wow.
Well, you got sturdy shoes, buddy. The Vans come in handy.
Handy. How are we going to get back up?
Up's easier.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
Lemon.
Easy. Wow. Did we get the best seat in the house? Oh my gosh. Look, state of this. Wow. It's way clearer than up in the misty mountains. Oh my goodness. And the sun is setting. But it's very bright right now. You can barely see, but wow. Sick. back in Pai. This is what nightlife is like. Yeah, got lots of cool little shops like this. Lots of street food up here. All of it incredible. And yeah, it's all just pretty much good vibes. All this place is good vibes. But yeah, this is the life of Pai. We're going for falafel this evening. State of that falafel wrap. Tash is not eating. She will probably eat mine. So, here I am in the jungle. Ooh. I'm still in Pai, but I am trekking to a waterfall with Tash. Tash is way ahead somewhere, as I was dilly-dallying in the stream. We're hiking to a waterfall. And yeah, we've got to go through the jungle, so it's very exciting. It should take a couple of hours. Yeah, we've been through a couple of streams so far, so my feet are very wet. But the sliders are out and they're holding up strong. So, good on them. Hopefully this waterfall is worth it. It's off. Yeah. Lovely part of the trek, eh? Yeah, look at this, stunning. Oh my gosh, look at this for a path. Jesus. Jesus. Well, after about 2.5 hours, 2 hours of walking, we finally get a sign. 1 hour steep. Brilliant. Right. Hiking for hours and sliders is not great. Would not recommend. I gotta do it on the way back as well. But I think we can finally hear and see the waterfall. Oh. Wow. 3 hour hike. What a hike. And very cool waterfall. Oh my god, you will not believe the amount of wasps and bees on our stuff. I am terrified, so be prepared for screaming. I've been stung too many times, I hate them. I hate wasps. Bees are good, I hate wasps. Look at that. They're on me! Ah! I can't! They're everywhere. They are everywhere. Oh my god. Ah! Go away! Oh! Get off my shit. Go away! Go away! Oh my god, there's 3 on the GoPro! Okay, bye! Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away! Ah! The worst day ever. We're still here. We're still alive. Before sunset. Woo!
Still alive for them bears.
A celebration right now.
Stumbling.
Right. Time for food?
Yeah.
Time for food.